So welcome back students. We are discussing past adjustments in your chapter partnership accounts, fundamentals of partnership. So let us see next exercise. Here it is written on the board. A, B and C are partners in a firm having fixed capital of rupees 80,000, 40,000 and 50,000 respectively, sharing profits in the ratio 7:6:4. So here we have three partners A, B and C, and their capital is given 80,000, 40,000 and 50,000, and it is fixed capital, and their profit sharing ratio is also given, that is 7:6:4. The rate of interest on capital is 10% per annum, but it is wrongly credited as 12% per annum. Give necessary adjustment entry. So here the problem is rate of interest is credited at 12%. Actually it should be credited at 10%, but by mistake accountant has credited it as 12%. So we have to pass adjustment entry. Now let us see how to solve this exercise. So for this exercise we have to first do some working. For this you have to prepare this type of past adjustment table. In that we will do some basic working. So let us see. See, in this exercise interest is wrongly credited. So interest already credited at 12% per annum. This is wrongly credited. So we know capital of three partners is 80,000, 40,000 and 50,000. So if you find 12% of 80,000, 40,000 and 50,000, then in case of A, 12% of 80,000 is 9,600. In case of B, 12% of 40,000 is 4,800. And in case of C, 12% of 50,000 is 6,000. So this is their interest on capital already credited in the their capital account. So total is 20,400. This is the wrong thing. Now, what is the correct? Interest to be credited at 10%. This is the correct. So 10% of 80,000 is 8,000, 10% of 40,000, 4,000, and 10% of 50,000 is 5,000. So 17,000 interest on capital should come. Now here you see actual interest on capital, they have done 20,400, but the correct is 17,000. So here you can see the difference. 20,400 wrongly credited and actually it should be credited to 17. So difference will come 3,400. If you remember profit and loss appropriation account, then in profit and loss appropriation account debit side we write interest on partners capital. Now here when we will reduce this interest amount from 20,400 to 17,000, so that 3,400 our profit will increase. In appropriation account, profit will increase by 3,400 because earlier it was 20,400 and now it is only 17,000. So 3,400 excess amount will be the profit, and that profit will be distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. This is the important thing. 20,400 we have written, this is the more amount, but the actual amount is 17,000. So now this 3,400 difference which is coming, that we will be distributing among the partner in their profit sharing ratio. This excess amount will go to partner as a sharing profit. So let us distribute. So next point is profit to be credited in 7:6:4 ratio. We will distribute this 3,400 in this ratio. I have already done it. 3,400 distributed, then A will get 1,400, B will get 1,200 and C will get 800. Okay. Now when we make the total of these two, 8,000 and 1,400, 9,400, 4,000 and 1,200, 5,200, 5,000 and 800, 5,800. So amount is coming 20,400. So now here we have two amount. Now we will do the comparison. This is a wrong credit given. This first portion is showing the wrong credit, and this portion is giving the actual amount to be credited. So now let us compare one by one each partner. Mr. A 9,600 is already credited, but actual credit should be given of 9,400. So difference of these two is 200 rupees. Now it will be debited or credited. Let us decide. Already credited 9,600. This is the wrong thing. But actual credit should be given of 9,400. So difference 200. What we will do? So here credited more. So we will debit it. So 200 will be debited. Remember, when more amount is credited, then difference we have to debit. So here 200 is more credited here. So we will debit this 200 rupees in the Ace Capital account. So that error will be rectified. Mr. B, 4,800 already credited. But is it wrong? Actual amount he should receive 5,200. Total of these two. So actual credit should be of 5,200. Here also you can see if we compare these two figures, that difference is coming 400. So here what will be the debit or credit? So credited less, because actually 5,200 should be credited, but credited only 4,800. So here the amount is credited less. So when amount is credited less, you have to credit. So this 400 rupees will be credited. We will give the credit effect. Mr. C. In case of Mr. C, 6,000 is already credited, wrongly credited. Total of these two is 5,800. So actual credit should be given to 5,800. So here difference is coming of these two figure is 200. So here you can see more amount is credited. Actually it should be 5,800. But credited is 6,000. So difference is 200. So here credited more. So what you will do? Yes, debit. 200 will be debited. So remember, when more amount is credited, difference we will debit. When less amount is credited, difference we will credit. Okay, that we have to remember. So in this case, what will be the adjustment entry? So our adjustment entry would be Ace Capital account. Okay, one more thing. Here they have fixed capital. And when the capital is fixed, that means we open current account. So here adjustment entry we will pass by current account. So entry will be A's current account debit 200, C's current account debit 200 to B's current account 400. This would be your adjustment entry. Okay. So your adjustment entry would be written in this way. Adjustment entry. You will draw the columns of journal. A's current account debit 200, C's current account debit 200 to B's current account 400, being adjustment entry pass. Once again, student, I remind you, it is a fixed capital method, and in fixed capital method, we open current account. So this adjustment entry would be passed by current account. Thank you.